Right, welcome to the channel. Today we're on the Focus ST and we're going to be changing the aircon pump, air compressor. First thing you want to do is, if you've still got a little bit of gas in there, go to your local garage who's going to regas it for you and get them to take the gas out. They might give it to you a bit cheaper because you've obviously got your own gas, but this one there's no gas. We unplugged it and there was no gas to be recovered, so we're going to replace this. First thing we'll do is just crack your wheel bolts, like one turn, jack it up, get the wheel nuts off, and remove the inner wheel liner. So just to remove the wheel liner, you've got one bolt there, two there, there's one there and one there. So I'm just going to buzz those off so we can get to it, which is there. Then you need one of these. Where are we? There's the camera. We need one of these, which is, what is this? What is that? Oh, it's a T50. Plug that in there and you're going to pull it up. I'm doing this one end, I'm just going to pull up like that just to release the belt. So I'm just going to do that now. Okay, so that's belts off. Then obviously you've got another one there. Let me try and put the camera in there. You've got another bolt thing you put in that. That's to release the other bolt. So let me do that one now. Right, so that's the second belt loose now. So this is the part we're changing. So you need a 10mm spanner now, and or 10mm socket, it's up to you. As you can see, this one's been leaking from the housing here. This is one I bought off eBay about 2 weeks ago. So now you need to undo these bolts here, these 10mm. 1, 2, 3. Loosen that, then it's going to drop down a bit. Then you should be able to get to the pipe here. This 10mm bolt here. In fact, I'm going to undo the 10mm first. I think I might be able to get to that today. So yeah, undo this one first. That one. Right, I've undone the two 10mm bolts here. There's one behind it. I've just unplugged this. We should just pull these two tabs together to release it off that. Now I'm just going to buzz these two 10s off, or 3 10s off. Then that's going to drop the compressor down. Okay, now that is the compressor out. Remember to check your seals, maybe put a little bit of rubber grease around these before you put them back in there. I'm going to have to reuse these ones because I don't think the other ones came with it. So that's how you remove it. And to put it back together, just do the reverse of what you've just done. Remember to put some grease around it. This has an O-ring, and on the pipes there's a little O-ring as well. Do them nice and tight, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Well, I've just put some rubber grease around there, the red stuff. So you need to lift this up first and try and get the bolts in. It's quite heavy, especially doing the floor like this. So I'm just going to get the 3 bolts in first. Put the top one in, nice and tight. Bottom one in. Plug it back in, pull these on, then the job's done. Just make sure you get the O-rings in there, else you can have another leak if you got it from here. So there's an O-ring here and there's an O-ring on the pipe. Right, as you can see, those pipes are all back in there now. Nice and tight. Don't do it mega, you can do it tight. Don't forget it's aluminium, so it will strip really easy if you're going to put too much force on it, but you'll know when it's tight. I've done 3 10mm up, put the plug back in there, so I'm just going to put the belts back on now. Right, all the bolts are back on there now, so I'm going to put the wheel liner back on there, wheel back on, then go and get it gassed.